Attakk terroristiku fi Franza ħasat il-ħajja ta' xejn inqas minn 84 persuna. Dan meta raġel uża trakk biex baqa' dieħel folla ta' turisti u Franċiżi li l-ħamis filgħaxija kienu qed jiċċelebraw jum Bastilja f'Nizza. L-attakk seħħ fuq il-famuża Promenade des Anglais wara wirja piroteknika mill-isbaħ. Is-sewwieq ta' trakk li ġie identifikat bħala Mohammed Dl-erbatax Buhlel, Franċiż Tuneżin ta' 31 sena li kien jgħix f'Nizza stess, inqatel mill-pulizija li sparawlu diversi tiri u nsab mejjed fit-trakk flimkien ma' splussivi u armi tan-nar. Persuni li rnexxilhom jiżgiċċaw l-attakk iddeskrivew dak li għaddew minnu bħala xokk. Fost dawn hemm Sandrine.
Everyone was walking calmly and normally, and then suddenly the crowd started moving quickly. Everyone started to run and scream, and when I turned around, the truck was a few meters away from me. I saw there was nobody around me. They had melted away, and instinctively, I saw the roof of the restaurant below me, and I jumped.
Il-folla ġri tal-għajnuna biex issib post sigur min sab kien f'lukanda u min f'restorant. M'Aġenzija tal-Aħbarijiet Internazzjonali tkellem sit tar-restorant li n-negozju tiegħu serva ta' refuġju għal bosta nies.
They were saying that there was some gunshots, but they were not sure. But a lot of people were running in panic, and I thought there was something happening really bad. And then we started closing our restaurant. We just closed the doors, everything, and there were a lot of customers inside. And we just switched off the lights and we were inside for half an hour.
Matul il-jum tal-ġimgħa kollox mar lura għan-normal. Bir-ristoranti reġgħu fetħu qed jilqgħu in-nies bħas-soltu. Mal-appell ta' mexxejja dinjija jingħaqdu iċ-ċittadini.
It can't stop our normal everyday living, these things. We shouldn't be scared of these kind of attacks. We should be strong and the life should go normal as it is.
Dan l-attakk wassal biex il-President Franċiż François Hollande estenda l-istat ta' emerġenza tal-pajjiż għal 3 xhur li ma stat emerġenza kellu jintemm fis-26 ta' Lulju. Franza ilha taħt alert massimu sa minn Novembru tas-sena l-oħra meta attakki mdemmija f'Pariġi kienu ħallew 130 persuna bla ħajja.